Hello and welcome. Today we're learning the present simple tense. It's used for habits, routines, and facts. For example, I work. This lesson is in English with Thai translations to help you understand. You can also turn on Closed Captions CC to read the English subtitles while you watch. Let's get started. Present simple. We use the present simple to talk about habits, routines, facts, and schedules. For example, I like cats, the sun rises in the east, and the train leaves at 8 a.m. The basic structure is subject plus verb 1. For negatives, use don't or doesn't. For questions, use do or does. Remember, when the subject is he, she, or it, we usually add a s to the verb. Let's practice and master the present simple together. Now, let's look at 10 examples of the present simple tense. We use the present simple to talk about habits, routines, and things that happen regularly. Listen and repeat after me. You can pause the video and repeat it. I get up early every day. She eats breakfast at 7 a.m. He goes to school from Monday to Friday. We study English every day. They watch TV in the evening. Here are 5 more examples. I play football on the weekend. She listens to music every day. He has a cat. We read books before bed. They go to bed at 10 p.m. Did you notice something? When the subject is he, she, or it, the verb usually takes a s. For example, eats, goes, listens, and has. The more you practice, the more natural English will become. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you for listening and see you in the next lesson.